Hi, my name is Steve Knight. I'm Vice President of Commercial Sales with Coyote Outdoor Living, and we're here in St. Louis, Missouri today to build an RTA Ready to Assemble Outdoor Kitchen Kit. The thing that makes RTA unique is that the complete system comes ready to assemble. There's no finishing, no skilled labor required to put it together. And as you'll see, it has a very low impact on either the homeowner and or the contractor. The RTA system is fully veneered and comes fully colored. It's literally ready to assemble. Another thing that makes this system unique is that it comes with a countertop. You'll notice as we put it together that all the cutouts required are already done for you. So there's no cutting, measuring in the field required. You simply put it together and then pop in the appliances. The Coyote appliance cutouts are already done for you. You simply attach them. In today's labor market, it's a very tight labor market. We don't see that changing in the future. This system requires very few tools. It only requires a power drill, 3 bits, a couple of masonry bits, and you're ready to go. That's it. No heavy equipment is required either. Each one of these panels can be carried by 2 people. You can use a drywall cart or some other way to get the product around to the backyard. It's very low impact and non-invasive on the construction site. The kit also comes with the 4 architectural corners, as well as all the components and hardware to put the kit together. It also comes with a touch-up kit, paint and brushes that should any scratches occur in shipping, you can touch those up when you have the kitchen assembled.